What do you do in your
What
free time, Sarah?
what do I do in my free time? I like to travel.
Okay.
Um,
You
I,
go to all these spiritual places.
amongst other things.
Okay.
You never know it. Like between Kedarnath and New York, depending on the month, you'll find me on one of those places, and I actually enjoy them both equally.
Okay.
So, I firstly don't like free time at all. So
Hmm.
I try to not have free time.
Hmm.
But when I do get it, traveling, I love trekking. So if
Really?
I love trekking,
Where do you end up going?
Pahalgam only.
Okay.
Pahalgam. I actually want to do the Khir Ganga trek with my friends. I've been
I've
meaning.
done that.
No, you
It's
haven't.
very crowded though.
Whatever.
It's beautiful. It's like that part of India,
Hmm.
that landscape. I've
Hmm.
not seen that anywhere else. And I've had to travel a lot because of YouTube. But I travel all over India, but I've never found anything like that.
Is it beautiful?
Dude, it doesn't feel like a part of this country. So, okay, honestly, it's a bit of a stoner town, Kasol and all that, that whole area. And you go upwards from there, you have Tosh. Then you go a little bit upwards from, then you have Khir Ganga.
Hmm.
It used to be like a whole like stoner trek, but it's also the most beautiful part of India that I've seen. Really tall trees.
I've never been there. I've only trekked in Pahalgam. So I've been to Tulian Lake, which was actually like a very uh, silly decision on our parts because it was not a 1 day trek. Like we should have gone there and stayed the night like normal people and come back the next morning. But we decided that we'll go and come back the same day. And I can't tell you, by the time we reached Tullian Lake, like we saw the sunset, which I love because I'm obsessed with the sun and moon. And anybody that follows me on Instagram who has had 3 conversations with me probably knows this. But we've seen the sunset at Tullian Lake. It's beautiful. But now you know what happens after the sunsets? It gets dark. And you know what happens after that? You should not be trekking. You know what we did? We trekked. So we've come down this hills, and we left. I think at about no, we were supposed to leave at 6 in the morning because I said let's not trek in top sun, but nobody listened to me. We left at like 7:30, and we started coming back down only at 6, and we've reached at like 3 a.m. And it was extremely tricky.
Eerie.